time. All right.
So on the AP exam, the calculator columns are going to be throughout the thing.
So
it's not going to be like a calculator section. It'll be like throughout.
No, it'll be like your tests are.
Oh, okay.
Here's the calculator one this day. Here's the non-calculator one.
Gotcha.
So you'll be given the calculator part first of the multiple choice, and no, backwards. Non-calculator first, then the calculator. Then the calculator free response, then the non-calculator. All right, here we go. So we go math, it's number 9, from 1.5 to 3.5. And it is totally acceptable on a free response question to just write VFT, as long as it says VFT is equal to that. You don't have to write out the whole thing. 0.5. I mean, you can, but you're trying to save time. E, I know it says T, but you can use X. Parentheses, you have to be careful how you type it in. Cute.
Say cute.
That's a cubed.
Cubed.
I got, not what they got. Let me make sure I typed this in. I did not.
What did you get?
Oh, I just typed in 0.5 instead of 1.5. After I just said, be careful what you type in.
How do we copy and paste?
It would be, how do you copy and paste? You just go up and hit enter on whatever it is, and it'll paste it back down. See it?
I need to.
I forgot to put it in the
Hit clear delete.
So it's 15.911919. I'm putting more than 3 because that's not my final answer.
Oh, it's not?
No, I don't think so. No, because I'm looking for a P of 3.5, right?
Mm-hmm.
I know P of 1.5.
I think I can magically say
It's 2.551. So I can add 2.551.
17, 18.
18.470. Your final answer, you can
Wow.
round to 3 decimal places. Oh, wow, what?
I can't read that.
You can't.
Got it.
Okay.
Your contacting? Yeah. It was just that it was so squished together. I was like, is that an 8? 1, 8, 4, 7.
What is the total distance from 1 to 5? So it's the antiderivative from 1 to 5 of, yes, you're right, the absolute value of V of t dt. So what you can do is go up there and hit enter on what you've already typed in and change your endpoints from just 1. You can hit delete to get rid of extra stuff.
Hey, they're there.
Now to get the absolute value, under math,
Do we have to do absolute value, or are we going to change it at the end?
you have to do absolute value. Over to num, so if you hit math and then cursor over to num, absolute value is that very first one, number 1. And you'll see it puts in the absolute value bar. Oh, not where I wanted it.
Yeah.
Let's see, if I hit second insert, let me see if it'll do it.
I think you have to click absolute value and then click enter on the square inside absolute value.
So I'm going to have to retype it. So what you're saying?
Put the absolute value bar and then go up and then click your formula and click enter. And then I think it'll put it inside.
Ooh. Yeah, I'm just going to retype it. Okay.
It will.
Sweet. But does everybody see how to get the absolute value in there?
Ooh, I got a big number.
Was that a no?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll come look.
I don't know if it's
Cubed.
where'd you get it? I don't know what your number is. Why did I ask you?
Yeah, it's like 913 something.
9part2.
I got 912.
Nope.
13. Do you have 13? I have 12.
Now, I had to retype mine in. They said, let's see, it's May.
What?
Yeah, I'm trying to. I think I can do this one.
What did you get for 12 or 13?
Yeah.
The heck did I do?
Yeah.
I have 12. You added these are correct ones. I don't know either. That's interesting.
That's where it's supposed to be.
Is it supposed to be after the whole thing or in the?
No, it's in the
Yeah.
definition.
Why does that change the number? That's interesting. Why? Why?
Because otherwise it's just finding the antiderivative and changing the sign, which is what
Someone-
Ashley was wanting to do.
That's the
And
name
that's
of the
different.
app.
Someone wants to airplane to your TV.
No. Will
Someone
that
does.
go away?
Huh?
I said, will that go away?
I'm gonna tap the screen.
Tap the screen.
You're like, ready? I still have a 12.
Don't worry.
It didn't
That's not going to do
Breaks it.
It's not.
I know. I didn't get the absolute value right, and I still got the state answer. That's annoying.
Oh, you just lucked out. It's probably, it didn't matter, but sometimes it does. So you just have to be super careful.
Are you gonna have to connect to the airplane yourself?
No, I think I probably could.
And some other classes roast math. My gosh, when Mr. Watson got married and someone airplaned to our TV this year.
Hayden Clark.
Yeah. Really airplane. It was just some presentation, and then it just went to like happy.
Just
happy marriage or something like that.
Okay.
That's kind of weird. Is there another king? Like, why would they be picking him?
Well, it's easy to click the wrong one. I've done it a million times.
Yeah, but they did it consistently, like 84 different times.
Is that what it said?
Well, like, because they would go away, then put the numbers back up, then go up, put the numbers back up. So, I mean,
Oh, you mean in a different class?
Yes, that's what it is.
Okay, so the next one, the graph of the velocity measured in feet per second. So finally we have some units. Of a particle moving along the x-axis is pictured below. So we have a graph, its velocity, the position of the particle at t equals 12. At t equals 8 equals 12, or is 12. So how do I write that?
P of 8 equals 12.
There you go. Use the graph of velocity to answer the questions that follow. Okay, we want to find the position of the particle at 3. So we're trying to find P of 3. V of 3 does, but not P of 3. How do we find position given velocity?
Make a shape.
The area.
The area. So how do we do that mathematically?
It's a trapezoid.
And
Antiderivative, the integral. Thank you.
But that's not a shape.
The
I was just
integral from what to what?
1
Three.
to 5.
8.
3 to 8.
3 to 8.
Okay. Why 3?
That one.
Because that's the thing we're finding.
Because that's what we're finding. And 8,
Because it's the thing we were given.
because that's what we were given.
How many numbers how many rectangles do
You got a couple?
V of t dt.
Oh, she'd switch the seating chart around. God,
What are you talking about?
I was remembering we got our seating chart switched.
Which makes me so
That's
happy.
so random. P of 8
It's
minus
the worst
P
thing
of 3.
I'm saying, that's not right.
So we go from 3 to 8, so we have 2 areas to find.
A trapezoid.
Yes.
Yes. Really? That is a trapezoid.
We have one trapezoid, which,
1.5. She didn't realize it was a trapezoid and then a triangle. I said it was a trapezoid. You took your word back.
so area of a trapezoid is 1/2 times the height, which is 5, times the bases added together. So that's
9.
1, 2, 3, plus 1. Where'd you get 9?
Plus one.
This is 1, 2, 3, and this is
I was
1.
saying 3.
8 equals 10.
So that's 5 over 2 times
And
4, which is 10, yes.
Cool.
Area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height. Base is 2. Height is also 2.
2.
So it's 2. So 10 plus 2, that would be
Minus.
12. Ah, crap.
Yeah.
Thank you. So 10 minus 2, that would be 8. Negative 2 because it's below the x-axis.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, we were supposed to add it together. I'm smart.
P of 8 is 12, and then we're trying to find P of 3. So we subtract 12, we get negative 4. So P of 3 is 4. And that's for what?
Feet.
Feet, yes.
4 twos.
3, 2, 1.
Acceleration. When t equals 5. How do you go from velocity to acceleration?
You do a derivative.
Do a derivative.
A normal derivative. Yeah. Oh, it'd be the slope of this, wouldn't it?
So we're trying to find 5, yes. So A of 5 is V prime of 5,
Down 5 over.
which would just be slope.
So do we have to combine that now?
So we what?
It's down 5 over 1. Negative. Oh, cool.
Yeah. The slope,
Negative 5.
bye y'all. It is negative 5 over 2 feet per second squared.
And why is it 5 over 2?
Well, you gotta divide.
By what? It probably went over 2 instead of over 1.
Yeah, it's from 4 to 6.
Oh, I thought it was from 5.
We'll finish it.
Okay. I think this guy put his understanding correctly. Some of us don't like talking to some of us. Yes. He keeps trying to partner with other people, and I'm like, I don't talk to this person.
You survived.